Welcome. If you've ever wanted to make a message stand out in your Telegram chats by underlining it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple and updated steps to send an underlined message on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the chat where you want to send your message. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a channel where you're allowed to post. Now, type out your message in the chat box at the bottom of the screen. You can write anything you want, maybe a reminder, an important announcement, or just something you want to highlight. Next, here's the key part. Tap and hold on the word or sentence you want to underline. After a moment, you'll see some options pop up above your selected text. Look for the three dots or more option in this menu and tap it. From the list that appears, select Underline. Instantly, your chosen word or sentence will be formatted with an underline, making it stand out from the rest of your message. Once you're happy with how it looks, just tap Send. Your underlined message will appear in the chat, drawing attention to the most important part of your text. Underlining is a great way to emphasize key information, highlight deadlines, or simply add a bit of style to your conversations. Remember, you can use this feature on both mobile and desktop versions of Telegram, and it works in private chats, groups, and even channels where you have posting rights. So, the next time you want your message to get noticed, don't forget to use the Underline feature. It's quick, easy, and helps your words stand out in any Telegram chat. Thanks for tuning in. Give these steps a try and see how much more engaging your messages can be.